If you're still trading hours for money, you're not broke, you're being robbed. Rich people figured this out decades ago. They don't sell time, they buy yours. Welcome to Money Making Mondays. Today I'll show you how to flip the same game and finally stop being a financial slave. Let me explain something most schools will never teach. Time is money, but only for the poor. The rich don't earn per hour, they earn per system. Per click, per decision. Jeff Bezos doesn't make more by working more, he makes more by owning leverage. Now ask yourself, are you being paid for time or for results? Because the people who sell hours stay poor. The ones who sell outcomes, they build empires.
I'm rich. Hey. I'm rich. Dada is rich. Hey, we are rich.
You don't need millions to play this game. You need strategy. Here's how I started. I stopped chasing more hours. I started building things that earn while I sleep, like buying stocks and get dividend over it. Creating content, it compounds. It's not overnight, but it's real. The problem? Most people won't do it because it's uncomfortable, because they'd rather just get paid hourly. That mindset is why they still broke 10 years later. You think you need more money? No, you need more time not sold to someone else. You need leverage, ownership, content, skills. The poor sell time, the rich buy time. Which side do you want to be on? If you're serious about escaping the cycle, hit subscribe. And remember, don't just work for money, make money work while you don't.